you've been actively involved for quite a while now, but it does appear that you seem to be looking at things from a distance these days. What's going on in your party, for instance? I mean, for instance, in the Southwest, let me just give an example, Chief. In the Southwest, there's this crisis of leadership. Who is the leader of the party in the zone and all of that, between former governor of Ekiti State, Bode Fayose, and Makinde. How is that affecting stability within your zone? And you're supposed to be seen as a leader in that zone.
Yeah, you know, I don't know what went into Fayose. He himself used to be the only governor in the Southwest. Now to start throwing tantrums, calling him names, saying all kinds of unprintable things. This is why what is happening to the national, the executive members of the party at the national. We have rules, we have laws. Nobody should be above the laws of the party. His attitude is too degrading. A former governor, you are abusing another governor who is now the leader of the party. You used to be. You challenging him and talking all kinds of things, and the national must wake up and do something against that. There are laws. Otherwise, it will crack the house, and once the Southwest is unstable, no PDP can win the national presidency. Nobody. I tell you that.
Are you foreseeing a possibility?
But you know,
yes.
I'm now a senior BOT member, and we talk like elders now, like the old ones. So that, you know, because no matter how many rags a child has, he will never have as many rags as the old man. This gray hair here is not by going to sleep in the Ram's store. You got it through experience, you are exposed, you are this, and that's what we sell to them. I just can't understand what is driving him. You know, there must be respect to whoever is put in that position. There must be respect for that. And if he's not respecting him, what is the national executive doing to bring everybody back online? You fall in line. The indiscipline is getting one too many, you know, and it's not helping the party, because the public perception about your party is very important. When you go out during election, the people outside there will decide. It's not only your members that will vote for you, but the people who are not political members of any party will decide. So how do they perceive you? You see, you just mentioned now that, look at what is going on. You are not a member of any political party, but that's your observation. And I agree with you. Yes, it is true. Why is he calling him names? Why is he insulting him? And he should be brought to book. If necessary, fired from the party. You don't get up there by being like a mumu or like an imbecile. Imbecility is nothing that we should condone anywhere.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.